In this video, we are going to fix Windows Update error 0x80240034. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. So the first solution that you can do is that you need to restart your computer, okay? So in some of the instances, the moment you will restart your computer, mostly your problem will be fixed. So the moment you have restart your computer, try to run the Windows Update again and check if it's working. However, if not, then we need to proceed to the next solution. And our next solution would be you need to clear up the files under the software distribution. So how we can do that? Okay, you need to open your file explorer. So at the taskbar, open it. And then the moment you have to open the file explorer here, you need to navigate to the left pane and find for this PC, and under it you can see your C drive or local disk. So please open the C drive, and from here you can find Windows. So all you need to do is you need to open the Windows, and then under the Windows you can see here the software distribution. All you need to do is you need to scroll down and locate for it. Once you have find the software distribution, you need to double tap to open, and there you can see a list of file folders. Please click on this delete icon to delete it. So once you have deleted these files, you need to run the Windows Update again and check if it's working. However, if not, then you need to proceed to the next solution. And our next solution would be you need to run the troubleshoot for Windows Update. So by that here at day start, make a right click, scroll up and click on the settings. Now at the settings window, you need to proceed to the left pane. Please proceed to the system, click in here. And under the system, you need to scroll down and find for an option which is the troubleshoot. Afterwards, you can see three options. Please proceed to other troubleshooters. And under the most frequent, you need to click on run, which is corresponding for Windows Update. Wait until it will be finished, and once you are done, run the Windows Update again and check if it's working. However, if not, then we need to proceed to the next solution. The next solution would be we need to perform the disk cleanup. So by that, press Windows key and R key together. In that way, you'd be able to open a small window called Run. Here, please type for clean MGR. Click on the Enter key in your keyboard or the OK button so that you would be able to open a small window where you can run the disk cleanup. So wait until the calculating process would be finished, and once you are good, once you have opened this one, you need to check the box here, which are the files to be deleted, and please click on Clean Up System Files. And then wait again until you'd be able to be navigated on that window since it's still calculating. So please wait until this calculating or the scanning process would be finished until we can see an option where we can delete or clear our system files. Now from here, please click on the OK button and please click on delete files. And here it will now start the cleaning up the disk, okay, which is your C drive. Please wait until this would be done. And once you are done with this step, you need to run the Windows update again and check if it's working. Okay? So this will take some time. Please wait until it would be finished. And once you are good with this process, you need to check if it's working. However, if not, then we need to navigate to the last step, and that is here at the search box. Please type for CMD. Once you've typed it, you need to wait until you can see a best match, which is the command prompt system. And once you have seen it, you need to navigate here at the right side and click on Run as Administrator. So wait at first until you can see that list of the option where you can see the Run as Administrator. Once you've seen it, click on it. And here at the command prompt system, you need to run the system scan, which is to do the sfc space forward slash scan now. So I will be including this command at the YouTube description. You can simply copy and paste it here at the command prompt. It is sfc space forward slash scan now. Please click on the enter key in your keyboard and wait until the system scanning would be finished. Okay? Once you are good, restart your computer, and once you've restarted it, try to run the Windows update again and check if it's working. Now that's it. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for upcoming tutorials like this. Thank you and have a good day.